Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto with crypto.com card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your crypto.com app. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on this trade option on the bottom of the screen, and there you'll have these two options, that is buy and sell. Now what you need to do is simply tap on buy, and once you tap on buy, here you'll be sent to this cryptocurrency page. Now all you got to do is select a crypto that you want to buy. Now let's just assume you want to buy the Bitcoin. Simply tap on Bitcoin, and here you'll be sent to the buy Bitcoin page. Now all you got to do is just simply select the order type by simply tapping on this one-time buy, and here you can select your order type as well. And once you're done with that, now here, in order to buy with crypto card, what you need to do is add crypto card. If you already have the crypto card linked here, simply select the crypto card and then tap on buy. But if you don't have, what you need to do is simply tap on add payment method, and then here you'll have an option that says crypto credit or debit card. Now simply tap on this option, and then what you need to do is enter in the details of your crypto.com card, and all you got to, and once you're done with that, your crypto.com card will be added right here. Now what you need to do is select the crypto.com card and then enter in the amount that you want to purchase, and then simply tap on buy. And once you're done with that, a sorting card fee that is 2.99% will be charged. Simply tap on this small checkbox and then tap on continue. And once you're done with that, you'll be sent to the confirmation page. Simply check in the details and then tap on buy, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.